guys, welcome back to the channel. I love breakfast. We're gonna be doing a sausage, gravy, and biscuits. Biscuits and gravy, one of my favorites. So let's go check out the ingredients. Let's do it. All right, there's really not much to this. It's just sausage. Gonna use some flour. We got some milk, salt and pepper. We're gonna do it in one skillet. It's gonna be a one-pan sausage. So let's get started. All right, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna brown the sausage. So get that going. All right, so I got my sausage cooked. Now a lot of people will do the milk in another container. I'm just gonna do it all in one. So I got about a 1/3 cup of flour. Just gonna add that to the sausage. And this is gonna thicken it up after I add the milk. So just incorporate that. Let that flour cook out. And we're gonna add the milk. All right, so I got all the flour incorporated. Now we're gonna add some milk, and you just eyeball this. Probably a few cups of it. It's gonna reduce, get thick. We'll just let this cook. Look at this, guys. Look at this biscuits and gravy. Oh my God, it looks so good. Well, thanks for watching, guys. A really simple recipe. Come back and see me on Cooking with Michael.